Hello everyone, my name's Ethan, sorry. That's what full name. But we are playing Zelda Breath of the Wild or Breath of My Mouth. Nintendo presents my ass. Legend of Zelda Breath of the Cow. Oh, it's a light. It's gonna shoot a laser to my ass. What? What are you saying? Open your eyes so I can scream into your ears. That's hilarious. Okay.
Open your eyes.
Open my what? Oh yeah, open my eyes.
Open your eyes. Wake up, Link.
What the hell? This is strange. Shit right here. Hi, you're awake. Oh, so we are doing a campaign. Oh well, it's pretty much an open world game, but it is. So Zelda is a game about, if you don't know what Zelda is just a game that you get to F about and that's, well, I mean, you get to survive. But I'm gonna do some funny things in this video. So anyway, let's examine this. What is this? It's a Nintendo Switch!
That is a sugar slate.
Oh, how did I not get that?
It will help guide you.
I got that wrong.
Slumber.
You should say that is a Nintendo Switch. That's what she said. And then take it. It will help you guide so you can play Mario Kart and I don't know. Take it. Play with it. Go play on your Nintendo Switch. I wish they actually did that to a Nintendo Switch. But I'm playing this on Nintendo Switch, by the way. So anyways, let's have fun. Oh, the door's opening. Oh, finally I can move. So that is, Alright, what's for sprinting? Is it, when you want, was it? No, it's not yeah. No, it's not that. Oh, that's crouching. B. Oh, that's what's. No, that's simple. Oh, well worn trousers. Good. Don't need to be naked anymore. Yay! Got a shirt. Cover my nipples and cover my fronts. My big ding dong. I really wish I could get a weapon.
Hold the sugar slate.
Hold the sugar Nintendo Switch.
That will show you the way.
And play Mario Kart or Mario Odyssey. You're taking forever. Okay. Run!
Link.
What?
You are the light.
Thank you for saying that. It's
Our
very
light.
respectful.
that must shine upon Hyrule once again.
Thank you, whatever you're saying.
Now go.
Bye. Can I get a kiss? No? Sexy. Oh, what? I'm desperate. Can I drink this? No? Shit. Very interesting, this game. Oh, it's run! Run, 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 run. Ding, 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 ching, chang, chong. Oh, it's got a lovely view. Yes, we get it! Breath of the Wild, Breath of the Burps. Breath of the Burps, okay? Breath of the Burps. It's legend, the Turk of Zelda. Breath of the Burps. Ah, pervert! I'm gonna fall in and smack. Oh, thank you. Just gonna go and smack him with this big stick in my hand. I'm gonna spank him with this stick. Thank you. I need a Highland shroom. But it sounds very Highlandish. I'm a Scotsman, you know. Shh. He's gonna be pissed. Excuse me, why were you looking at me, staring at me there? Thank you. I beg your pardon. I do believe that is my baked apple. Oh, shut up, you. You can't just go about taking whatever you please. Oh, forgive me. I could not resist pulling my leg. You're a dickhead. Please help another apple and open flame for a treat. It's a bit strange to see another soul in these parts. Who are you? Me? A spirit? My life story? You know what? My name is Ethan the Legend, and I'm gonna kick you in the very big balls, okay? And second, you got a long beard. You remind me of Santa Claus, but black Santa Claus. I am just an old fool who has lived here alone for quite some time now. You and Fig! I have no idea why. I don't know why Santa, but you go and live somewhere else, okay? Go to like somewhere like go to Edinburgh. It's nice there. What brings I, young man like you, to a place like this? Where are we first and first? Answering a question with a question that is fair enough. As I cannot imagine our meeting to be simple coincidence, I shall tell you. This is the great Pikachu, and to legend, this is the birthplace of entire kingdom of Hyrule. Okay, Santa Claus. Yeah, I'm gonna just skip. I see that. It's the holy. Yeah, I see the temple. Whatever. Blah blah blah. 100 years ago. Can I? I'm just skipping. Actually, can I get your torch? Can I see your torch? Got a torch. Well then, just help yourself to that torch there. And now, and how may I ask, are you planning to use it as a weapon? As a weapon to smack you in the face with it? Because, seriously, I'm just skipping whatever you say. I don't really care. I can definitely lock onto you. Oh, I will light you on fire because you are a huge Santa Claus. Okay, I'm just leaving you there. Oh, finally, it's got a button. Thank you. Now let me like this. Oh shit.